waiting for all year. Just a girl and her horse in the fading light, riding toward the colors painted overnight. Storm in the distance, lightning in the blue, but the sunset wrapped me up in every shade of truth. Oh, it felt like freedom. Just a girl and her horse. Flint carried me steady through the rugged ground. Every step was taking me closer to that sunset